Hello, and welcome to another install video with BOVA Racing. Today we will be installing the Chevy Silverado 2.7 liter turbo blow-off valve adapter. Begin by removing the engine cover. You will need to remove two 10mm bolts to remove the cover. Disconnect the vent line and electrical connector. Disconnect the two hose clips attached to the intake. Also detach the wiring harness clips on the passenger side of the intake. Loosen the hose clamps by the turbo inlet. Next, remove the nuts holding the air intake. These can be found behind the intake. Now that the intake is removed, we have access to the stock blow-off valve. Disconnect the electrical connector down here, and then we will remove the blow-off valve. Prepare the BOVA blow-off valve adapter. Line up the blow-up valve with the adapter and insert the provided screws. Place the assembled blow-off valve in the turbo housing. Secure the blow-off valve. Reconnect the wire connector. Reinstall the air intake and secure it to the engine. Reinstall the nuts holding the air intake. Tighten the hose clamp by the turbo inlet. Reconnect vent lines and electrical connectors behind the intake. Reconnect wire harness clips. Tighten the hose clamp on the intake by the air filter. Reinstall the engine cover with factory bolts. Thanks for joining us for another install video with BOVA Racing.